Pin and Spin is based off of Mobility WOD's Bone Saw. I love ankle churning, but I wanted some more release around my ankle. So basically we start with the Yoga tune-up balls in the tote and a brick or a book, whatever you have. Place the balls around your ankle so that you can get a nice range of movement on the ankle. And you can either just stop here and just get a nice pin and stretch or pin and spin, or you can bump it up another level by adding some extra weight from your other leg crossed over and squashing that ankle on the bricks. Oh boy, while spinning the ankle. And here we're releasing a lot of the extensors and flexors of the foot that's in the tibialis. You're spinning your ankle. It's not exactly the most pretty movement, but it's you're getting quite a bit of a release through the ankle. I like doing this before, after a run, in order to free up my ankle again so that I can have that nice direction of movement in my gait. And that's your Yoga Tune-Up Therapy Ball Ankle Pin and Spin.